He was invited by ETA Star Group company based in Dubai, and later he joined after his program.
You leave this hall, you will definitely go back happy, satisfied, and definitely you will learn something very, very important in today's session. That's my promise. So how many of you really believe that you can learn something today? Oh, great. So everybody believes that you can learn something. And in fact, everything starts with a belief. Is my voice audible last row?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
I'm more comfortable without the mic. Can you please introduce yourself because you came a little late. My quick name for you. Hitesh.
My name is Hitesh Bandodkar, his son, and I'm a student studying BE in UBC.
Yeah. So, but do you agree with all successful people happy today?
No.
Not necessarily. That means if you are, it's very difficult to say which is important. It is like a story of hen and a egg, which is important for the people. Right? So definitely one thing very, very important, whether you want to be happy or successful, having a positive attitude is most important. That's what is true. A positive attitude will help to cope with everyday life. See, it's not that a big success in life. Every morning we have a challenge. Every second we have some challenge. So when you have that kind of a positive kind of attitude, you will win over everyday matter. Positive attitude is the result of new thinking. That is believing in yourself, focusing on success, learning from failures, and surrounding yourself with all people who share your values, your principles and thinking. One of the quote, Zig Ziglar, one of the leading trainer in US. One more quote, we have this shoe company, the footwear company, wanted to expand their activities of selling the footwear to different parts of the globe, and they recruited a lot of youngsters. They were all given training, and after sufficient training, they were deputed to different parts of the world. Out of that, one person was sent to a remote island. He had to travel a long distance. In those days, only way to travel is by road or by ship, and he reaches there very tired and quickly gets himself ready to go out on his job. What is the job? Selling shoes, promoting the product. End of the day, when he comes back, he's very, very tired. It is not only tired, he's very, very disappointed because he was not able to sell a single shoes the first day. Again he pursues the second day, same thing happens, third day, same thing happens. Then he says, if I keep on trying like this, end of the month my boss will ask me for a target and I'll be fired, better I inform him. And those days to inform, there's no phone, internet facility, he had to depend only on a telegram. I hope many of you children do not know what is telegram all about. It's a message sending in a different way. So he goes to a post office and then he'll send a telegraphic message to his boss. When he meets his boss, the boss will give him a beautiful letter. Letter of appreciation, letter of termination. Because you're not able to perform, we don't want you. Then the company will decide to send another person to the same island to do the same job, and this happens to be from the same very batch and same age group almost, and he comes with a lot of enthusiasm to the same island and do the same job of selling shoes.
I would first explore the island, tag my name to it, then I would try to put down what is the experience I had in my book, publish it later. Probably I'm sure that a ship would find me later there. So I love to live a happy life there.
Murthy, you want to say something?
He's having a book as the laptop.
Okay.
What did this mean?
No, actually, you have to assume that your card, where the available resources is a book, and it's not laptop, it is DVD player, and something to eat, and somebody assumed maybe a stone. Okay. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, first of all, probably I'm sitting in mid of a island, so I would be really enjoying that because
Please remember, percentage is not important, but it's important to get an entry into next level. If you can get a good score in your school, you are eligible to get in a better college, and thereby a better opportunity comes up. But even after completing your engineering or medicine or whatever course, what is important is more about your attitude than the education. Education is only, it contributes 15% to our life. It comes because a subconscious mind is working all the time. The point I was driving you, our subconscious mind is working all the time in the background without our knowledge, without our awareness, and in this part of our subconscious mind, we have got a lot of programming which has happened in the past. You remember the earlier screen I was talking to you, where our external behavior is linked to our feeling is driven by our attitude, and attitude is based on our belief, and belief are nothing but a part of our programming. As you start programming, you get belief. Let me just prove one more point. Long back, the circus had come to Bangalore. Because a lot of youngsters, children do not know what is circus, because it's no work. But those days there was only entertainment. We went to circus a bit early, and as I was watching there, I saw something very interesting. There was a big elephant which has been tied with a thin rope and nailed down to the floor. Just next to it, there was a baby elephant which has been tied with a thick rope further tied to the trunk of a tree. Something wrong? Big elephant with a thin rope, a small elephant with a thick rope. I rushed to the manager. Security stopped me. He said, "What do you want?" "I want to talk to manager." "You want to talk to manager? What is it regarding?" No, I want to talk to him straight." And he said, "What is it you want to know?" Then I said, "See, manager, the people have made a mistake. They have tied the big elephant with a thin rope, the small elephant with a thick rope. Please do something, otherwise the big elephant, it may escape, may hurt people." I was so concerned, and he was laughing. Can you tell me, friends, why it was done like that? Yeah, yes, Arun. Amar. Okay, big elephant is trained.
No, smaller train. From the small elephant is heavier train.
Okay, by tying to the thicker rope, the training is happening there. Okay.
And as in grows, so it is already too much. It is always become a heavier train.
Okay, I would just say that in a simple way. The small one is untrained, big one is trained, right? Yeah.
But it's such that the bigger elephant, when it was small, it was tied to the same thick rope.
Oh.
And you make an attempt to escape, and you can't escape. Now, the elephant's mind is in this thought that how much ever I try, I'll not escape. So no wonder which rope it is tied to, it even doesn't make an attempt to escape.